Umar says, as saying astaghfirullah 3 times after fard prayers is the kaffara, the expiation of the mistakes or lack of khushu', concentration in the prayer. Does this mean that even if I couldn't focus the entire salat, saying it 3 times would restore my reward of the full prayer as if I had focused the entire salat? If not, how does the saying of 3 times astaghfirullah kaffara help us? First of all, the allegation you've based is totally unfounded. Nobody ever said that saying astaghfirullah 3 times after concluding fard prayer and then Allahumma anta as-salam wa minka as-salam tabarakta ya dhal jalali wal ikram, which is a confirmed sunnah according to the hadith of Thawban in Sahih Imam Muslim. The prophets always did this, alayhi salatu salam. However, nobody ever said that this expiates whatever mistakes or lack of khushu' that you've committed in your prayer. So where did you get this from? There's no evidence backing it from the Quran or from the Sunnah. Therefore, yes, it does not expiate. And definitely if you have prayed your prayer and you did not have any khushu' in it, saying astaghfirullah 3 times would not suffice to restore the reward. Now we have evidences stating that any flaws in your prayer is compensated by the voluntary sunnah or the rawatib, which you pray before and after the prayer. This compensates for any shortcomings or flaws in your prayer. But would it restore it fully? This is in Allah's hands, and all what we can do is be hopeful, and Allah knows best.